Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand, the cylinder styling, the bakery display cases, and we can give you the overall sizes first. The diameter of the unit is about like 27 inches. And the overall height about the unit is about like 69 inches tall. As we can see, the unit is cylinder one. They come with a 1, 2, 3, 4 shelvings, the glass shelving inside of the units. And we will open the front door. We can see the inside, they do having the LED strips on the both sides and also the shelving adjustable the heights. Let me give you the diameters. For this glass plate, diameter is about like 21 inches. And display space, the height is about like 45.5 inches tall. So when we're looking down of the units, we can see they have controllers right here. They give you a small digital display to show the temperatures and the power and lights switches right here. And also when we turn around, we can see the ETL sanitation sticker on the units and having the diagrams and the cut sheets of the units. They're using the standard 110 plugs, so regular power can support the unit to run. And this will be all detailed information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.